This is where my grandfather passed away. Oh wow, if I had my camera, we'll do a little shot of that, because this is perfectly framed with the trees. Real neato. Congratulations, Mr. Mercanti, on being voted the best Italian in Brantford. Congratulations, Mr. Mercanti, on being... Oh, I didn't put text on there. Oh no! What if they don't put? What if they don't have volume on? I didn't put sound on. Volume emoji, volume emoji, volume emoji. How are they gonna know? Fuck. Clouds to the left of me, jokers to the right. Here I am, stuck in the middle with you. That song's been stuck in my head since I left Ottawa, because there's a dude in my neighborhood playing his guitar singing that song, so that planted the seed. And then along with the that's an industrial smell. It smells like raisins.
Garbage to me.
Okay.
Oh no, we have to go through Death Bridge, man.
What?
Death Bridge.
Yeah. If you see there's lines where like the rails of the bridge are that supported, the support rails of the bridge. Just right on those. I pretend you're like super monkey balling it and balance on it.
Oh my God. So what you're saying is, gone.
Yes. Go.
Gone.
Go ahead, fucking gone it. Let's fucking go. Gone. Find your line and don't fall. Do you see the lines? All right, go. Finish. Alright, we're good. I didn't record that, we have to do it again.
What's up?
I didn't record that, we have to do it again.
Okay.
Yeah, so my GoPro was off. Oh, look at those light rays from heaven. Oh, we stopped. I remember I was when I was working with the YMCA as a childcare assistant, we were outside with the kids playing with them, and we saw like light rays through the clouds, like those ones over there.
Yeah.
And one of the grade ones there, who was like really clingy to me, said, "Nick, look, I think it's my grandpa talking to us from heaven."
Oh.
Yeah.
That's so sweet. Jesus.
You gotta build up your speed. You're going so much higher than I am. Holy fuck.
Slide down anyways.
Oh, let's go. See, you slide down, let's go. No damage. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm great.
No damage. Let's go. It's not a boy's adventure unless Ryan eats shit. Let's go.
Fucking actually, bro. Go high, Nick.
I don't want to go high. Holy fuck! Holy shit! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh!
This is exhilarating.
Oh my god!
Oh! Shit!
Oh my god. my GoPro vid it's just me moaning and groaning. Oh god. Dude, how are you so fast? What the fuck? What the fuck? Are you catching up to me? I'm getting a little dizzy.
Yeah, I'm only gonna stop if you stop.
Well, I'm a little bitch, so you don't have to worry. Oh god.
Oh! Oh, dude! So
oh my god! Let's fucking go. Yeah. On our way to our next high school party. Yeah, man, we're St. John's alumni. We party. Yeah, bro, we play rugby.